our research team utilized massive healthcare datasets in Hong Kong and other parts of the world to answer important clinical research questions. Recent examples include the Vaccine Safety Monitoring Program commissioned by the government. We have conducted rigorous record linkage procedures between anonymized datasets from the Department of Health and the hospital authority, respectively, to investigate the safety profile of COVID-19 vaccine in the identified sample of over 4 million people. We are also conducting a multinational big data study looking into the impact of COVID-19 on medium to long-term health outcomes. Utilizing an unprecedented amount and variety of data from local electronic health records, risk prediction models for cardiovascular risk are being developed to enable precision medicine and aid clinical practices. This big data skill set and international collaboration networks enable us to inform clinical practices and policy in a precise manner in both the local and international context. We will build on what we have already developed and continue to strive for research excellence as well as social impact for the enhancement of the well-being of all mankind.
Small and medium-sized enterprises contribute significantly to the world economic development, but they are often excluded from gaining access to finance through traditional credit assessments, creating economic inequality and hampering future development. To provide novel solutions for this grand challenge, we've been collaborating with major financial institutions and fintech companies to design a new generation of credit risk model and quantify the real and social impact of fintech credit accessibility. In one of the projects, we work with one of the largest fintech companies in the world, using extremely large operational and financing datasets of millions of SMEs with high coverage, high frequency, and high dimensions. We examine how access to fintech credit affects their entrepreneurial growth, operational volatility, service quality, and resilience to business and credit cycles. By understanding the economic mechanisms through which fintech credit affect SMEs, our work provides a solid foundation for product design and policy making to build a financially inclusive society.
Social and information systems can be represented mathematically with networks, which abstract real-world systems into agents and the connections between them. My research aims at understanding the structure and the dynamics of real-world educational systems using networks as the primary tool. A focus of artificial intelligence in education is on how to leverage large-scale data in learning systems to shed light on the complexity of learning processes and support the development of intelligent learning systems. This line of research requires novel methods beyond the traditional quantitative and qualitative approaches, including those related to data mining and machine learning. I am excited to engage in impactful data-driven research using the resources and interdisciplinary environment provided by the Hong Kong U Institute of Data Science. Researchers from multiple disciplines in the Institute share an interest in tackling a range of pressing local, regional, and global challenges with an ultimate goal of contributing to a sustainable, resilient, and healthy society. We look forward to making collective efforts to achieve these goals.
My research is focused on the nature of communication and language. The most recent work I'm doing is on what I call conceptual engineering. Almost any aspect of human life is now in some way affected by AI. The main problem in the current research is that these AIs are black boxes. We really don't understand the mechanism that generates the outputs. So if a decision is made by an algorithm, we can ask why? What was the reason? And having an explanation is crucial because without explanation and understanding, there can be no trust. And regardless of the laws, it's crucial that our future relationship to AI has an element of trust in it. Now, my work is an effort to explain how shared language and communication can be possible despite these fundamental differences between us and AIs. The key to understanding interpretability, in my view, lies in the social, historical, sociological context of the AI, not inside the algorithm. Just like no one understands me by looking inside my brain, we can't understand AIs by looking inside its computational structure, its neural net, or its algorithm. So explainable AI, this big research topic, is a kind of sociological problem. It's not purely a computational problem. So we need to understand the interconnections between these external elements and the internal computational structure. That's what makes meaning possible, and that is what allows for explainable AI that we can trust.